In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs free AI text-to-speech step by step so you can turn any written script into natural sounding audio in just a few minutes. This is perfect for YouTube videos, voiceovers, social media content, presentations, and any project where you want a clean, professional voice without recording your own. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure you're logged into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the text-to-speech option and click it. This is the main speech synthesis area where you can create your voice output. After that, you'll see the voice selection section. Here, choose a voice from the preset voice library that best matches the style of your project. You might want something calm and clear for a tutorial, something more energetic for promotional content, or something warm and conversational for storytelling. Take a moment to preview a few voices if needed, because the voice you choose can completely change the feel of the final audio. Once you've selected the right voice, move to the text input box. This is where you type or paste in your script. Make sure your text is clean, complete, and formatted the way you want it to sound. If you're creating a longer narration, it can help to break your script into short paragraphs so it is easier to review and edit. If there are names, numbers, or special words, double check them before generating, because the AI will read exactly what you enter. After your script is in place, look for the Generate button and click it. ElevenLabs will process your text and create the audio version for you. Depending on the length of your script, this may take just a few seconds. Once the audio is ready, use the preview option to listen through it first. This is an important step because it lets you check the pacing, pronunciation, and overall tone before saving anything. If it sounds good, simply click the download icon to save the file to your computer. In most cases, you'll want to download it as an MP3 file, since that format works well for editing, uploading, and sharing across different platforms. And that's it. You've now learned how to use ElevenLabs free AI text to speech from start to finish. You can repeat these same steps anytime you need fast, realistic voice audio for your content. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.